Hi, I'm Jason O'Connor, and I've been thinking of a few things over the last several weeks that we've been, under this COVID pandemic, and a lot of these thoughts I've had have come out of some really great things that I've seen. And some of it is tied to my background as a doctor of chiropractic and working directly with patients and understanding what that front line might feel like to some extent in working directly with individuals who could be suffering. And the other part of these thoughts have come through the past 9 weeks that I've been sheltered in place, working directly from my home. The last day that I was traveling, I think it was March 12th, where I was in New York for a conference. Ended up coming home very early, and I've been working from my home for the past 9 weeks. And so here I am Sunday afternoon thinking about a few things, and I thought it might make sense just to share some of this in a video and some of the learnings that I've had in this compressed time period of working with large employers and the benefit leaders of some major corporations over this 9 week period, in which the company I'm with, Big Health, has been offering our digital therapeutic solutions to help individuals who are suffering at this time from the poor sleep challenges, or maybe the worries and the anxieties that are coming. So these mental health aspects and the challenges that we're all dealing with. So over this 9 week period, I just went and looked at my calendar. I've had 105 conversations with benefit leaders in that time period. And each of those have had some common themes. Some of them have, a few things that have been different, but by and large, individuals are concerned about helping their people. It made me think about a quote that I heard a few weeks ago, which I'll read here in a minute. But the whole idea that I thought of was, we are seeing some really great just representations of humanity, people reaching out and helping in ways that they can. And it made me think about what we're trying to do as a company around the mental health space, where others could be doing something around finance or different areas of technology or education or different goods and services that could be offered. Instead of relying on maybe government to bail us out, what can we do as humans, as neighbors, as citizens, to be able to help each other through this difficult time? The quote comes from Jeffrey R. Holland, who my freshman year of undergrad, he was the president of Brigham Young University. And he said this specifically with respect to COVID-19. And he says, this is a solemn reminder that a virus 1,000 times smaller than a grain of sand can bring entire populations and global economies to their knees. He goes on to say, when we have conquered this, and we will, may we be equally committed to freeing the world from the virus of hunger, freeing neighborhoods and nations from the virus of poverty. May we hope for schools where students are taught, not terrified they will be shot, and for the gift of personal dignity for every child of God, unmarred from any form of racial, ethnic, or religious prejudice. Undergirding all of this is our relentless hope for greater devotion to the two greatest of all commandments, to love God by keeping his counsel and to love our neighbors by showing kindness and compassion, patience and forgiveness. These two divine directives are still and forever will be the only real hope we have for giving our children a better world than the one they know now. To me, that was very inspiring, and it just tied in with the thoughts I had. So I wanted to just share that here briefly. Hopefully each of you are safe, you're healthy, and if you are suffering, that you will be able to respond quickly. And hope you all have a very wonderful next week, and we'll see you later. Take care and be well.